Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android easy guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Android device, unlock your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification panel. Tap on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down and select System. In the System menu, tap on Backup. Ensure that the Backup to Google Drive option is turned on. If prompted, sign into your Google account to enable backup. You can also choose what to backup, such as app data, call history, and contacts. Once you have made your selections, tap the back arrow to return to the System menu. Next, go to Accounts. Select your Google account and ensure that data synchronization is enabled. Now let's back up your photos and videos. Open the Google Photos app. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Photos Settings. Tap on Backup and Sync. Make sure the Backup and Sync option is turned on. Choose the quality of the uploads according to your preference. Next, let's back up your music and other media files. Open the Google Play Music app or any other music app you use. Look for the Backup or Upload option in the Settings menu. Follow the prompts to upload your music library to the cloud. To back up your documents, consider using Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app. Tap the plus icon to upload files. Select the files you wish to back up from your device. For additional security, download a backup app like Helium or Titanium Backup. Follow the instructions provided by the app to create a complete backup of your device. After backing up, test the backup to ensure your data is safe. In case of switching devices, log into your Google account on the new Android device. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore your data. You have successfully backed up your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.